Welcome to CermePOS. Learn how to easily accept payments, both by card and cash, and how to correctly process them in your system. When you're in the cash desk screen, we can begin. You can now scan any product with barcodes linked to the items in your product list along with their respective prices. When you scan an item, it will appear here. If you have a product without a scanned barcode, you can find it by clicking on Items. Then, select the product the customer is purchasing. You can also search by item name by clicking on Item Name. You can open the keyboard by clicking on Keyboard at the bottom right of your screen or by pressing this icon. When you're done, click OK. You can select more products using the touch buttons we created. Click OK when you're ready. Now, we have a list of products the customer wants to purchase. Next, click on Subtotal. Here, you'll see how much the customer needs to pay and how much they've already paid. Then, click on Cash if the customer pays the exact amount, or on PIN card if they want to pay by card. After that, click on Print if the customer wants a receipt, or Save if they don't need one. Once you've done that, you'll return to the main screen, and the list will be cleared. Let's make another purchase. What if the customer doesn't pay the exact amount in cash? If the customer pays with a €10 bill, click on the €10 symbol, and you'll immediately see how much change the customer should receive. Under Payment, you'll see what the customer has paid, and under Change, you'll see what they should get back from you. Then, click on Print or Save. The payment is now processed and saved. You can use the buttons at the top right to add frequently sold items or to create a diverse button, allowing you to manually enter a price if you don't have the product in the system. I'll show you how to do that. Click on Items and then on New. For the barcode number, you won't generate or scan a barcode, instead, type DIV1 because the button is named DIV1. There are 8 buttons available, so you can create 8 references this way. In the item description, type DIV 9%. In the category section, create a new main and subcategory. The main category will be Verse, and the subcategory will be DIV 9%. Naturally, we select the VAT rate of 9%. When you're done, click OK and then Save. You won't enter a price because you want to be able to input the amount manually each time. You can do the same for products with a VAT type of 21%. Lastly, check the box Go to Next line. When you're done, click Save. Exit the item list by clicking on the cross. Restart your cash register system. After doing that, you should see DIV 9% listed. Enter the desired amount. Here, I'll input €7.50 or €7.50, then click on the DIV 9% button. You see that it's added to the list. You can add or scan products if the customer picks up anything else. When you're finished, click on Subtotal and choose how the customer will pay, cash or card. Then, click on Print or Save. Congratulations, you now know how to accept payments, correctly process them in the system, and use diverse buttons. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Good luck with using CermePOS system.